Xerox has long held that a successful corporation must be an active participant in society. We support this belief with a host of actions that demonstrate a commitment to social responsibility by the company and its people. The Xerox Foundation, for example, invests in more than 400 social, civic, and cultural organizations each year. We make some 40 grants to university research programs, and we support more than 140 colleges and universities through scholarship programs to prepare students for careers in business, science, and technology. And we support a variety of organizations aimed at improving the quality of life in the communities in which we work and live. That's part of our social responsibility picture, but it's not the total picture. The numbers don't capture all the work and spirit of Xerox people who volunteer and contribute in their communities, using their skills and business savvy to strengthen their local not-for-profit organizations. You're about to see just one example. Since 2003, Xerox has invested in a company-wide Lean Six Sigma initiative. We're training selected employees as black belt and green belt specialists in using process improvement methods and tools. These skills and resources are being applied to improve our internal business processes. We're now beginning to work with customers to help them reduce costs and capture new value in their businesses. Now, in the Rochester, New York area, those skills are being applied in the nonprofit sector through the Rapid Cycle project. Xerox's participation engages Xerox Lean Six Sigma trained experts in individual projects with Monroe County groups such as United Way and the Red Cross. These projects are another way of helping not-for-profit groups meet the challenges they face to be more efficient, productive, and collaborative in delivering the services their communities need. It's the type of corporate gift that keeps on giving. Have a look.
I think the Rapid Cycle project is an excellent way for corporations to expand their commitment to the community. They're using an existing resource to help not-for-profit agencies be more efficient. And the importance of that is that there's not a growing pot of charitable dollars, so agencies have to do more with less. And the Rapid Cycle project allows them to do that.
So how does Rapid Cycle help the Red Cross do more with less?
Xerox invested a lot of money and resources in Lean Six Sigma a few years ago, and we've been more than pleased with the return on the investment. It's helped us boost productivity, improve our response time to customers, and generally just improve the health of the company. If it's good for Xerox, it's good for the nonprofit sector. So we turned to some of our very best black belts and asked if they would be interested in volunteering their time and expertise to the community.
I wanted to find an opportunity to give back to the community. This was a perfect way for me to do that. I've leveraged Xerox's investment in me and in my training on the use of these tools.
We all know the American Red Cross brings aid and comfort to victims of natural disasters and other emergencies, but there's more.
Part of the mission of the Red Cross is to reach more and more people in our community and at the workplace with health and safety training, CPR, first aid, injury prevention training. We have sales consultants that go out and talk with business owners and organizations about the different type of training programs that the Red Cross can customize to their needs and then provide instructors 24/7 to deliver that training.
But the selling process was not very efficient. They chose this for the focus of the Rapid Cycle project. The problem? Reduce the time sales consultants spend in the administrative details, allowing them more time to deal with clients directly. The project team used the DMAIC roadmap of Lean Six Sigma, beginning in the define phase, then moved on to the measure phase.
We collected a lot of data during the measure phase. The process participants kept track of how long it took for them to do each part of the process.
The team also walked through the process, asking many questions. They documented steps and made a swim lane process map, which shows the steps very clearly.
It was really amazingly complicated. There were a lot of non-value add steps.
Many people were touching the process. There were many redundancies built into it.
We used statistical tools to analyze what our performance was at that point in time, and we then characterized where we want to be compared to our current performance. For me, the aha moment was seeing how involved the sales consultants were in the administrative process.
And the aha moment was when we thought out of the box and thought of No judgments, just throw ideas out there of what we can eliminate.
We realigned process flow so that we could meet the objectives, yet remove considerable number of process steps.
People were relieved that some of the duplicative action was removed.
The team developed and tested a pilot plan. Once proven, the new process was implemented department-wide. And results? How about a 59% reduction of process steps for the sales consultants? That freed up an average of 5 hours per week for them to contact customers. On average, that's 30 additional calls a week and countless more people trained. Mission accomplished.
What Xerox provided our Red Cross chapter was a wonderful opportunity to learn what they know works to improve business.
To sustain these gains, the team created standard operating procedures for each of the new process areas and a control plan.
This donation of my time and access to the Lean Six Sigma tools by far was the largest contribution I could make to an organization like the American Red Cross.
The Black Belts have done a great job. They feel fulfilled about the things that they brought to the community. They come back re-energized.
Part of my objective was not only to work with them on this project, but to enable transfer of those skills to them.
What we've learned about Lean Six Sigma, we have taken on and applied to other areas of the chapter.
Xerox's Lean Six Sigma process has given us a whole new way of looking at the way we do business throughout the organization, and it's really going to provide benefits for many years to come.
This is the gift that does keep on giving.
It's another example of, we hope, Xerox not just being a big company, but a special company that cares about the community.
Every additional person trained is the potential to save another life.
It really is a fantastic feeling for me to know that I have helped the American Red Cross and potentially the work that I've been involved in could save lives.